Welcome to K-Zone. Today, we will share about the blockchain technology in cybersecurity. From Bitcoin to beyond. A king of security. Now let's start. In a world increasingly reliant on digital information, the revolutionary technology of blockchain has emerged as a game changer. This documentary explores the transformative power of blockchain, a distributed ledger technology that promises secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant record-keeping. Join us on this journey as we delve into how blockchain is reshaping industries like finance, supply chain, and digital identity, and what the future holds for this groundbreaking innovation. The genesis of blockchain. Blockchain, a concept introduced by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each block contains a batch of transactions, and once a block is full, it's added to the chain. This transparent, immutable, and distributed ledger system is the key to blockchain's power. Blockchain in finance. One of the earliest and most profound impacts of blockchain technology has been in the world of finance. Blockchain offers a secure and efficient way to conduct financial transactions without the need for traditional intermediaries. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements with the terms directly written into code, have further revolutionized finance by automating processes like loans and insurance. With blockchain, financial transactions are faster, cheaper, and more transparent, making it an attractive alternative to traditional banking systems. Transforming supply chains. Blockchain's transparency and traceability have made it a game-changer in supply chain management. From raw materials to end products, every step of the supply chain can be recorded on a blockchain. This not only reduces fraud and counterfeiting but also ensures the authenticity and quality of products. Consumers can now trace the origins of products and verify their authenticity, fostering trust and accountability in the supply chain. The digital identity revolution. Traditional identity verification systems are fraught with inefficiencies and vulnerabilities. Blockchain provides a secure and decentralized solution for managing digital identities. Users have control over their personal information, sharing only what's necessary for a specific transaction. This not only enhances privacy but also reduces identity theft and fraud. Governments and businesses are exploring blockchain-based solutions to create secure and portable digital identities. Challenges and concerns. While blockchain offers tremendous potential, it's not without challenges. Scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory hurdles remain significant issues to address. Moreover, the immutable nature of blockchain means that correcting errors can be complex. Security concerns also persist, as hackers constantly seek vulnerabilities. Striking a balance between privacy and transparency is another ongoing challenge. The future of blockchain. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, its potential applications are boundless. From healthcare to voting systems, blockchain promises to reshape industries across the board. Emerging trends like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are already gaining momentum. Governments, businesses, and innovators are investing heavily in blockchain research and development, indicating a promising future for this transformative technology. In a digital age characterized by data breaches and mistrust, blockchain emerges as a beacon of hope. Its decentralized, transparent, and secure nature holds the promise of revolutionizing industries far and wide. As we look to the future, blockchain is not just a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift, challenging traditional systems and empowering individuals with control over their data and transactions. The blockchain revolution is here to stay, and its impact will only continue to grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.